Ponies and the Smokies 2022.
What's going on, everybody? What's up, Kevin? How you doing out there? We are live, Ponies and the Smokies. We rolled in last night. Let's see. I think that was Wednesday night, right? It is Thursday morning, and we're here at the resort. I'm gonna check it out and show you guys what we got going on. There's Miss Tiffany. We got set up last night or yesterday afternoon. What's up, man? There he is.
How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
I'm on video right now.
You're on video right now.
All right. Well, no, I don't have to be. No, I didn't want to be.
He doesn't want to be, so
I'm trying to eat some food.
Trying to eat breakfast.
Yeah.
All right, YouTube. What's happening? We got a couple of guys here. We got John, Jesse, Brent, and nobody right here, but sweet guys, sweet cars. You guys enjoying tips or what?
Oh, we're loving it.
Oh, it's terrible.
I would say it's my second favorite show of the year behind the Ponies.
Yes. Okay. All right, so obviously we got Dale in the background over here. Low standard junk over here. But seriously, we're having a good time. It's great to have you guys out here. I'm glad to be here. Thanks for the pit staff. Clap it up for those guys. Way to go. What an awesome event this year has been.
Yeah, gotta aim for the top like, hold up, yeah, I can never doubt myself, I know better. All of you critics be acting like you know better. Blowing the smoke, but I know when the dust settles that I'm in my element, it's evident that there's levels to the game. All of those dark nights I got then, breaking my back to make it out, got me feeling like rain. I ain't never need your help, I know you wishing me well, a penny for your thoughts, but seeing no change. I snap for the sun like Diddy, the riches got a mad ass son, I'm like Billy. I ain't never switch up, whole team with me, putting on for my city like OAGZ. Set the pace as long as you finish, consumers find a way inside your business. Babble if they try to dabble in it and they hate the fact that they may have to witness. You tryna aim for the top like this and you're in your element with a fire like this and they hoping you fall and they praying you miss, but it's all in the risk. I got you with the switch, you know. I'm in the zone. Give me the throne. One shot, that's all that you got. That's all that I know. Foot on the gas, 155 on the road. You could be a friend of me, an enemy. Keep that same old energy, cause I know I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. Keep that same energy. I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. Flow is like water. I'm forced through the fire. I'm feeling like gold. Gotta stay grounded, stay down to earth. Following God and you grinding. You do as you told. I don't work to make you like me, but I'm front and center. Word to spike.
So we're gonna vlog this whole event for you guys. We're gonna be on camera a bunch. We want to make sure if you didn't get to come to Ponies and the Smokies, I'll do the best I can to get as much film and footage as I can, hook you guys up. So stay tuned. It's all gonna be on YouTube. Probably post a little bit on Instagram as well. And of course, we brought the podcast. We're gonna be out here live in the convention center Friday some and Saturday doing the podcast. So you guys come check us out and holler at us. Love to see you. See you, Kevin's down here. There she is, the legend of Highway 411, going to be unloaded into the convention center.
One shot, that's all that you got. That's all that I know. Foot on the gas, 155 on the road. You could be a friend of me, an enemy. Keep that same old energy, cause I know I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. Ooh, yeah. I'm in my element. Ooh.
Right here. Let's do it. All right, everybody, I'll get the first-hand look at Ponies and the Smokies unload area. We are in the special vehicle section. Yeah, I'm special. I'm special.
Awesome. Are you at the snake pit?
You know, I don't know. Travis didn't tell me. Hey man, Lance. Good to see you, buddy. Yeah, this is Brandon.
Hey, Brandon Travis. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Ready to bring car in?
Yeah, we're about to unload it, so I just want to know where we need to go. Okay. All right. All right. So we're special. We're going in the MPD booth. How about that? Didn't even know that. That was a little surprise, huh? That's me. Man, what's happening, man? What'd you say?
Come over to see you before I left. Glad to meet you in person.
Oh, yeah. Getting loaded in here. Good timing. Good timing on that startup right there, baby. Here at English Mountain Dragway. Ponies of the Smokies 2022. A little drag racing going on. I'm sorry, excuse me. likes to grab too much.